Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a file Explorer.exe not such interface supported on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type this first command. Now you can see that copy and press enter. After doing this that, write a second command, this, and press enter. After that, type this third command and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is as in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click and run as administrator. After opening the command, type first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It's required for a few minutes to complete this process.
Oh, किसान की राज है दस तो ये जो बातें करते हैं पहले बार यही कस्टमाइज करते हैं इस पे बहुत से इसलिए स्पिलाओ तो आपका पर क्या कर रही और तू के पास का पीएच यहाँ है कि स्टाइल से आपका सोसाइटी दी का देता है कि एक पेपर है वो भी पड़ा किसी को नहीं पता अच्छा अच्छा तो क्या इस टाइप के पर के अतालिगो pero awato te
After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.